Yeah, so you won't believe this, but if your window ever gets stuck in your R50 Mini, mine's a 2003, there's a trick you can do. So you're gonna put your car on the on position without turning on the engine. You're gonna hold your window switch in the up position and then hit the side of your door right above the speaker really hard with a fist. And I just did that, and basically I got my window regulator to start working again. And same issue with the other side as well. And now that's working as well. Yeah.